Hi guys, Sam here. Just want to do a quick video about the price action we've seen for the last couple of days. So yesterday basically we saw one big whale, someone who had made millions of dollars. And again, we don't criticize people, even if they're leaving the project very, very early. You have to remember that some people might have invested a relatively modest amount in the first day or two. And now they're sat on millions of dollars. That's life-changing money for them. We're not going to judge them. People will join the project along the way, and this problem will become less and less. So effectively, to explain, yesterday, in one go, one of the early investors sold $600,000, and then they continued to sell. And then what happened was we had so much website activity at that point that the website crashed again. We've upgraded servers twice now. And then we saw about 2,000 new wallets join us in the space of about an hour and a half, which is unprecedented. And it was quite obvious to us that people had been sat waiting for this opportunity to buy. So what happened really is that whale's holdings then got much more healthily distributed over 2,000 new holders. And we're basically seeing the same wallet doing the same today. So they've sold big into the market. And now we're seeing people starting to eat that up and new investors join us. Remember, for the long-term health of the project, we need this. We need those new investors. I think we're close to 80,000. So the amounts are going up at crazy rates now. And it's actually thanks to these dips. So these dips will help us in the longer term. I appreciate they can be a bit stressful in the short term. The other thing to remember is the price drops are never relative to what's sold. You know, a whale selling out maybe $1 million has caused a price drop that's far, far more significant than $1 million. But then on the flip side, if 1,000 wallets then buy $1 million worth back, it will recover very, very quickly in a relative amount, even though, you know, it's adding hundreds of millions of dollars to the market cap. So I hope that explains a little bit more about why these things happen, why we don't personally care too much about them in the team. I do appreciate they can be stressful for investors. So obviously, if you're in it for the long term, it shouldn't be a problem because you're just getting more rewards. So hang tight, guys. Enjoy the rewards.